Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn digital marketing using Google Digital Garage. This fantastic platform offers free online training to help you boost your digital skills. You'll find over 150 courses covering digital marketing, career development, and data and tech. All the content is expertly designed by Google trainers, ensuring you receive high-quality, relevant education to succeed in the digital world. Let's dive into the digital marketing courses. The Fundamentals of Digital Marketing is a flagship offering, providing 40 hours of comprehensive learning. This course is structured into 26 modules, covering essential topics like search engine optimization, social media strategies, content creation, and web analytics. The best part is you can learn at your own pace, fitting your studies into your schedule, making it incredibly flexible. As you progress through the modules, you'll encounter tests and quizzes designed to solidify your understanding and track your learning journey. Once you've completed all 26 modules of the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course, you'll be eligible to take a final online exam. Successfully passing this exam will earn you a globally recognized certification from Google, a valuable asset for your professional profile. With your new Google certification, you can significantly enhance your resume and showcase practical digital marketing expertise to potential employers or clients. These skills are directly applicable to growing a business, advancing your current career, or even launching a new entrepreneurial endeavor. Google Digital Garage is an excellent resource for continuous learning, helping you stay current with the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.